Life processes. Transportation in plants. Plant transport system helps in moving the energy prepared by leaves and raw materials from roots. There are two pathways. 1. Xylem for conducting water and 2. Phloem for transport of food. Transport of water. In xylem tissue, vessels and tracheids of the roots, stems and leaves are interconnected to form water-conducting channels. At the roots, cells in contact with the soil actively take up ions and supply to parts of plant. The water molecules move upwards to the highest points of the plant body. The evaporation of water molecules from the cells of a leaf creates a suction, which pulls water from the xylem cells to roots. The loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial parts of the plant is known as transpiration. Transport of food and other substances. The products of metabolic processes, particularly photosynthesis, are moved from leaves where they are formed to other parts of the plant. This transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translocation and it occurs in the part of the vascular tissue known as phloem. Besides the products of photosynthesis, the phloem transports amino acids and other substances. These substances are especially delivered to the storage organs of fruits and seeds and to growing organs. The translocation of food and other substances takes place in the sieve tubes with the help of adjacent companion cells both in upward and downward directions.